Hey, this is Suraj, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. I'm at our newest home for sale, 572 Montcalm Avenue in Oshawa, a beautiful semi-detached bungalow with 2 separate units. Let's check it out. I hope you enjoyed the tour of 572 Montcalm Avenue in Oshawa. If you would like to book a private showing, please call the number above. And if you would like to stay up to date on all new homes that hit the market, please subscribe to our channel below.